Okay, welcome to 124 Riverbend Way. Today is October 13th, early morning. We have our piers here. You can see everything is piered, locked off. We also brazed or welded, as you can see. So we have multiple nuts, welds, etc. All inspections, of course, passed. County we're waiting on. They're going to be here today. They come in after the engineer does his sign off. So Gary wrote the letter. We came within a ½ inch. Our countertops are within a 1/16 of an inch, and it turned out great. We did go through a few rams, hydraulic rams. That middle section, for some reason, between the suction and just the gravity, the weight of the structure in the center was just unbelievable, just massive. Again, you can see the welds all welded up, bolted up. Now we were only required to bolt, but we had one of the piers actually fail under the strain and pressure, so we added multiple other piers, which are all these piers on this inside wall. These are all extra piers. We had our hole in the wall there where we were feeding pipe. And you can see this pier here actually failed. You can see the pressure was so great it literally bent that pier. I mean, just completely bent it like a banana. And those piers are in. Well, look at that, bent like a banana. Absolutely bizarre. So great job. These guys really put in some overtime. We did get it wrapped, and usually they're within about 1.25 inches is kind of the average around here. And like I said, we're about a ½ inch. So we've done incredibly well. 1/16 of an inch on the countertops, a ½ inch for the structure all the way around, which, to be quite honest, is better probably than a newly framed construct, a year old, will probably settle as much as what we have here in a lot of cases. So all wrapped up. Next step now, of course, we're finishing the interior. You can see all our rams stacked there. We have our extra piers, all galvy. We're pouring all this on Monday or Tuesday. So that's where we're at there. We replace the post, pour the pad, and then through here all this gets backfilled. And of course we have concrete in the garage, which will be replaced, and then we will actually epoxy it so that it'll blend nicely. You won't see a big seam, and it'll finish out really well. So great job there. Now to go on the inside, show you what's going on. My little puppy's with me today. Let's go on the interior. So the countertops within a 1/16 of an inch. How awesome is that? How awesome is that? Right, all the cracks are caulked. The doors all work beautifully. All this upstairs has been caulked, prepped for paint. Going down through here, you can see the taping and mudding. First layer. We'll have a couple more layers to go, and then skip trowel, and then paint and prime all at once. You can see all the patching. It's been done. Lots and lots and lots of patching everywhere, all over those windows, these corners. You can see these guys are doing a great job and all that. So where we're at, today we'll get our final CO, certificate of occupancy, and then of course bring that sheetrock, get it in here, finish this wall, that soffit. We re-leveled all of this yesterday, brought the soffit to level again, and it's just as soon as these guys let us backfill, which should be today or Monday at the latest, we're off to the races. It'll take us approximately 3 to 4 days to wrap once we have our backfill. Hope you've enjoyed the tour. We'll see you on the next one.